Mm.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to Knowledge as Quantitative Aptitude classes. Today we are going to solve 7 or 8 problems. The first problem which we are going to solve is which of the following is divisible by 11? Divisible by 11. The options are 174971, 739926, 345698, 595912. We know that the test of divisibility for 2 is by finding the sum of even digits and sum of odd digits, and then finding the difference between sum of odd digits and sum of even digits. Let us take this number. The sum of even digits is 1 plus 4 plus 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. Sum of odd digits is 7 plus 9 plus 1. 7 plus 9 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17. The difference between these two numbers is 5, which is not a multiple of 11 or not 0. And hence 174971 is not divisible by 11. Now let us take the number 739926. 7 plus 9 plus 2 is 18. 3 plus 9 plus 6 is 18. The difference between 18 and 18 is 0, and hence 739926 is divisible by 11. The next problem which we are going to solve is which of the following is not divisible by 6? Not divisible by 6. The options are 36, 216, 206, 306. Which of the following is not divisible by 6 is the question. 36 is divisible by 6. The test of divisibility for 6 is that the number has to be divisible by 2 and the number has to be divisible by 3. That is, it has to be an even number, and also for 3 the digit sum must be divisible by 3. Consider the number 216. 216 is divisible by 2 because it is an even number, and for 3 the digit sum is 2 plus 1 plus 6 equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3, and hence 216 is divisible by 3. Divisible by 6. 216 is divisible by 6. 36 is divisible by 6. Let us take the number 206. 206 is divisible by 2. It is an even number. But it is not divisible by 3 because the digit sum is 8. Digit sum is not divisible by 3, and hence 206 is not divisible by 6. 206 is the answer to the for current problem. Now, the problem which we are going to solve is which of the following is not divisible by 8? Not divisible by 8. The options are 37784, 5800, 42656, 16773. We have to find the number which is not divisible by 8. The test of divisibility for 8 is the last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. 784 is divisible by 8, 800 is divisible by 8, 656 is divisible by 8. 16773 is not divisible by 8, and hence 1616773 is not divisible by 8. This is the correct answer. There is an easier way for solving this problem. Even numbers are divisible by 8 and odd numbers are not divisible by 8. There is only one odd number, and hence that is the correct answer. problem which we are going to solve now is, which of the following numbers is divisible by 9 and 10? Which of the following numbers is divisible by 9 and 10? 9 and 10. The options are 376, 480, 76,380, 11,880. 376 is not divisible by 10, and hence this is not the correct answer. 480 is not divisible by 9, and hence this is not the correct answer. It is not divisible by 9, it is found out by finding the digit sum. Digit sum is 4 plus 8 is equal to 12, 12 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, and 3 is not divisible by 9, and hence 480 is not divisible by 9. 76,380 is divisible by 10. We have to check whether it is divisible by 9. 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 3 is 16, 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 is not divisible by 9, and hence 76,380 is not divisible by 9 and 10. Now let us take the number 11,880. 11,880 is divisible by 10. For 9 we have to find the digit sum. The digit sum is 1 plus 8 is equal to 9, 1 plus 8 is equal to 9, 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Digit sum is 18, and hence 11880 is divisible by 9 and 10. This is the right answer.
Going to be 7 minutes.
Which are the following is divisible by 6? Divisible by 6. The options are 373, 373, 49,873, 9837, 9936. We have to find which are the following is divisible by 6. 373 is not divisible by 6 since it is not an even number. 49873 is not divisible by 6 since it is not an even number. The only even number available among the 4 choices is 9936, and hence 9936 is divisible by 6.
8 minutes.
We will stop the class right now. Thank you.